Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best food coloring liquid is probably one of the most versatile tools in any baker's or home cook's arsenal. From vibrant cakes to colorful cookies, the right food coloring can transform ordinary treats into extraordinary creations. But with so many options available, how do you choose the best one for your needs? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of food coloring liquids. Number 5. Clark 12 Colors Gel Food Coloring. Introducing Clark's professional-grade gel food coloring. It's made in the USA and perfect for all your baking needs. This product will help you create vibrant and beautiful treats. This food coloring provides brighter and more concentrated colors. It's ideal for icing, frosting, and batters. One tube can color enough icing for multiple cakes. The premium gel food coloring is easy to control, drop by drop. You can blend the perfect shade with less mess and more precision. It's a great choice for both beginners and experienced bakers. This product is free of common allergens, including peanuts, tree nuts, gluten, and dairy. It's also non-GMO, kosher, and vegan, making it a safe choice for everyone. The 12-pack includes super black, super red, royal blue, and many more vibrant colors. It provides a wide range of colors to bring your creative vision to life. You'll have everything you need to create stunning desserts. This food coloring is proudly manufactured in Rutland, Vermont. You can trust the quality and craftsmanship of this product. It's a great addition to any baker's collection. What we like. This food coloring offers incredibly vibrant and concentrated colors, perfect for achieving the exact shade you desire. It's also easy to control, allowing for precise color mixing. If you're looking for a food coloring that delivers intense color payoff and is safe for everyone, you should consider this one. What people say. The colors are very true. It is hard to find a food coloring with good color, not runny and no flavor. The shades are intense and blend well with buttercream, fondant, and pastry dough. Just a few drops are enough to achieve a vibrant color, so it goes a long way. It doesn't change the flavor of desserts and doesn't stain your hands too much if handled carefully. Perfect for decorating cookies, cakes, and cupcakes. Number 4. Food Coloring Set, 12 Colors. Introducing a food coloring set with 12 vibrant colors. It's perfect for cake decorating, baking, and various DIY projects. You can easily create bright and beautiful colors. Made with safe, food-grade ingredients, this coloring set is odorless and tasteless. It won't affect the flavor or texture of your food. It's also dairy-free, nut-free, sugar-free, and gluten-free. The set features an easy-to-use design with a drop mouth and squeeze bottle. This allows for precise mixing and control over the color intensity. You can customize your colors with ease. The colors produced by this set remain bright and stable, even when heated or frozen. They won't fade or evaporate, ensuring your creations look great for a long time. It will keep the color soft and bright for a long time. This versatile set is ideal for cake decorating, frosting, and various crafts. It's perfect for holidays like Valentine's Day, Easter, and Christmas. This edible coloring set is very suitable for you to decorate your desserts. What we like. With a wide array of vivid colors, this set lets you create stunning baked goods. The tasteless and odorless formula ensures your creations taste as good as they look. If you like to experiment with a variety of colors and want a food coloring that won't alter your recipe's flavor, you should choose this one. What people say. They were easy to use. The variety of colors was amazing. I liked that they were thick and didn't make my frosting runny. Number 3. Food Coloring Set for Baking. Introducing a vibrant food coloring set, perfect for all your baking needs. This set includes 26 vivid colors, designed to make your desserts pop. It's the ideal way to add a touch of color to your creations. This food coloring is made with food-grade materials and is non-toxic, dairy-free, nut-free, and gluten-free. It's odorless and tasteless, so it won't affect the flavor of your food. You can use it with confidence, knowing it's safe for everyone. The set includes a wide range of colors, specially crafted for dessert decorating. From reds and violets to greens and blues, it has everything you need. Each color is designed to bring your desserts to life. This versatile food dye is perfect for cakes, icing, fondant, and cookies. It's also great for holiday decorations and Easter eggs. It's a fun way to add color to any occasion. The water-based food coloring is easy to mix and comes in a leak-proof bottle. The design allows you to control the drops for the perfect shade every time. Both beginners and professionals can enjoy using it. With a highly concentrated formula, a little goes a long way. The colors are bright and rich, and they won't evaporate when heated or frozen. You can even mix them to create new shades. What we like. This set provides a rich and vivid color palette, perfect for any dessert. The easy-to-use design with a leak-proof lid makes it simple to achieve the perfect shade every time. If you're a beginner or a professional looking for a comprehensive and easy-to-use food coloring set, you should consider this one. What people say. The standout feature of this set is the wide range of 26 vibrant colors it offers. These food colors are perfect for cake decorating. Knowing that these dyes are food grade gives me peace of mind. Number 2. US Cake Supply Liqua-Gel Decorating Set. This set of Liqua-Gel colors is perfect for all your cake decorating needs. They are highly concentrated and come in a wide range of bright, vivid colors to make your desserts pop. These gels mix and disperse instantly, making them easy to use. The squeeze bottles with flip-top lids allow you to add drops for consistent colors every time. The colors are freeze-tolerant and won't break down your icings. They are also fade and bleed resistant, ensuring your decorations stay perfect. This product is formulated for use with various mediums. You can use it with whipped toppings, buttercream icings, fondant, cake batter, cookie dough, and more. All the colors are made in the USA with high-quality ingredients. Furthermore, it is certified kosher, so you can be sure of its quality and safety. What we like. Made in the USA, this food coloring offers a range of bright, intense colors that are easy to mix and disperse. The gels are also freeze-tolerant and fade-resistant, ensuring your creations stay vibrant. If you're looking for a reliable and high-quality food coloring made with high-quality ingredients, you should choose this one. What people say. Colors are vibrant and require little use for great coloration. You don't have to use very much of the dye in order for it to really pop in the frosting or cakes you make. The colors are vibrant and the concentration is strong enough that you don't need a lot. Number 1. Treedoa Food Coloring Liquid Set. Introducing the Treedoa Food Coloring Set. This set provides brighter and more concentrated colors for all your baking needs. With 12 vibrant colors, you can easily create colorful food. Unlike other sets, this one offers 10 ml bottles, giving you almost half more capacity. It's a great value for making a variety of colorful treats. You will have plenty of color for all your projects. This food coloring set is highly concentrated, so a little goes a long way. The colors are vivid and last longer, perfect for multiple uses. It is designed to be durable and efficient. Made with safe, non-toxic, and food-grade ingredients, this set is perfect for everyone. It's dairy-free, nut-free, and more, ensuring vibrant colors without altering taste. You can enjoy it with peace of mind. The set is designed for easy control, with a drip port for precise coloring. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you can easily mix and match colors. Get ready to enhance your pastry creativity. This food coloring set is ideal for home use and baking classes. It's perfect for DIY cakes, cookies, and more. Enjoy the fun of baking and inspire your creativity. What we like. This food coloring offers a concentrated liquid formula, ensuring you get the most out of every drop. The large capacity means you won't run out mid-project. If you have a lot of baking projects or want a food coloring that provides excellent value and vibrant results, you should consider this one. What people say. I've only used a few colors so far, specifically for a merman cake, but I was really impressed with the richness and brightness of the colors. The color did not have any taste and was very easy to mix. The liquid consistency makes it easy to mix in without clumping, giving you smooth, even color every time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.